Well, hello, I'm Dave Riccio, and welcome to the Automotive Therapist. As the Automotive Therapist and as an ASC certified technician with over 25 years of experience, it's my job to put you at ease when it comes to your car. When it comes to auto repair, we all wish we had a trusted, competent friend in the business who we could ask questions to that didn't make us feel stupid. Well, now you do. Consider me a personal friend in the car repair business who's not going to try and sell you anything or talk down to you, but eliminate your insecurities by putting you in the know when it comes to your car. Together, we'll tackle relative topics like extended warranties, car buying, car selling, oil changes, spark plugs, radiators, bodywork, transmissions, tune-ups, catalytic converters, engine mounts, drive shafts, and a whole lot more. Woo! That's a mouthful and it sounds overwhelming, right? Don't worry, it'll be broken down into bite-sized morsels. So now you do have a personal friend in the car repair business. A happy, safe place where we eliminate your compulsive thoughts about your car and put you at ease. I'm Dave Riccio, and I'm the Automotive Therapist, helping you and your car feel better. We'll see you next time.